Okay.
It's already moving.
Already moving. Okay. Give me a little bit. Drop your shoulder.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It's already moving.
Already moving. Okay.
Oof. Yeah.
How'd that feel?
I needed that. Oh, so good.
Okay. We're gonna go a little bit higher. Deep breath. Oh yeah. Drop those shoulders. There you go. Good. Stay there. There we go. Good. Nice. Really good. That's not sending more life out to the body.
That was a big one.
Yep, just like that. Drop it right down. Good. Whole spine here. Probably gonna feel it all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
Pulse here. Get you ready. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax your mind. Yeah, there you go. All the way out. Good. Feel any releases there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Couple Good.
Upper back.
Okay. Okay, what I want you to do is take a deep breath in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my hand on your chin. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good. Just keep your mouth closed. Deep breath in again. All the way out. Good.
Yeah. I felt that move. Like, that was really good. I like had that knot whenever you were putting your hands on me.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you pulled, it like just opened up. I was like, ah.
Good. Yeah. Right there. Does that hurt?
Yes.
It does, right?
Yeah, like stop pushing on it.
Okay. Drop your head down. Good. Drop a little more. Okay. Relax. Back into me. Deep breath. Oh yeah. Flat. Good.
I mean, I've been getting adjusted for years, but it's like it's like my first time when you do something like that. It's great. Wow.
Just
What a
right there.
difference. Thank you.
So we're gonna come in here, break up all these fixations. Okay. Take a big deep breath in, Joe. All the way up. Relax. Nice. Good. Bring your head on up, back down.
Are in your earrings?
Again. All the way up. One more time. Let it go. Good. Any release there? A little bit?
Yeah, I felt it.
Good. So I'm gonna come in here. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. All the way out. Relax.
Oh, that feels so good. That was so tight.
Good. Nice.
Oh my God. Wow. That was great.
Good. Now, okay. So we're gonna come right here.
That was good.
Great. Spine feels pretty good. Good. Take a deep breath in, Mike. All the way out. There we go. Good. Good. Excellent. Good. How did that feel?
Good.
Good? All right.
That was it.
Good.
I had the wrong side. Oh my god, my stomach.
Excellent.
Much better.
Much better, right? There we go. Just want to make sure everything's loose in here. Good. So take a deep breath in. All the way out. We're going to give you a light adjustment through here. Breathe all the way out. There you go. Good. There we go. Good. Did you feel that? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're going to adjust right there. Good. Got it. Good. Excellent. Okay, so take a deep breath in. All the way out. Wow, that was great. Feel that?
Yeah.
How did that feel?
That was intense.
That was intense?
Yeah.
You feel better in there? Does it feel like a good release?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Weird.
Yep. Okay. Good. Just relax that shoulder. Excellent. That was really good. Good. You're gonna feel better. Endorphins are gonna get released. Your mood's gonna get better. So take a deep breath in. Oh yeah, and just relax. I'm gonna do everything here. Okay. There you go. Awesome. That was great. Did you feel that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more. All the way out. Let it relax. There we go. Good. Excellent.
Oh. That was crazy.
And then right here, we're gonna come to deep breath. All the way out. Good. Awesome. That was great. That's it. See how it's already moving?
Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna give you a little thrust. Good. Excellent.
That was crazy.
Good. That's your body healing. More pressure's off your spine. Your body's working better. Ticklish there? Yeah. Okay. So deep breath in. I'm not gonna poke around too much. There you go. Just relax. Wow. Huge. Good. Really good. So I'm going to put my hand right here. I want you to keep your mouth closed. Yeah. Okay, take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good. One more time. All the way out. There you go. Good. There we go. Wow.
Jesus. Oh, that was crazy. Oh my gosh.
That's good. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Yeah, just relax. There we go. Good. We're going to come up a little more. All the way out. Just let your hand, body melt over my hand. There we go. Good. Did you feel that?
Oh yeah.
Good. Real easy, okay? Okay. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. You okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath in. Oh yeah. You don't feel it? I think your earrings bother you or anything like that? Okay, good. Deep breath in. Good. We're just going to give you a light pull right here. Just relax. Good. Excellent. Did you feel any releases there?
Yeah,
Where'd you feel it?
right here.
Right in the neck too?
Yeah.
Okay.